Hello everyone, this is Mimi Pang. This video is daily simple summer makeup look. I think it's the perfect makeup for a mask. After applying moisturizing and sunscreen, tap the cushion lightly on the center of the face. Next, apply a small amount of foundation on it to cover blemishes. Use a pore pack or powder to control the oiliness in the center of the face. Contour the edges of the face. Don't forget to do the hairline of your forehead and under your chin. Use an eyebrow pencil to shape your eyebrows. Use a darker auto eyebrow pencil to emphasize the tip of the eyebrow and the texture of your eyebrow. Add a natural look by sweeping the eyebrows with a mascara brush. I'll contour my nose shading. Shading on the bottom of the lips also makes the lips look plump. Apply the same color to the eyelids naturally. Fill the waterline with a black waterproof eyeliner. Curl the eyelashes slightly with an eyelash curler before applying false eyelashes. I'll put on fake lashes. To prevent false eyelashes from getting too thick, apply mascara only to the roots of the eyelashes. Apply mascara carefully on the underlashes. curl your eyelashes and false eyelashes. If you curl too hard, your false eyelashes will curve too much. I'm gonna draw the eyeline with a brush pen type eyeliner. Draw a long tail of the eyelines. Put sparkles between the under eyelashes. I'll just put it on the center of my eyes. I will put the blusher on. Apply the blusher in the center of the cheeks. This time, I'll apply water tint on my lips. Apply it bigger than your lip line. It's almost over. I'll finish my makeup off with a highlighter. Put a highlighter on the tip of the nose bridge, upper lip line, and chin. Now my makeup is done and it's time for me to go. So please subscribe my channel and press like button. Have a good day. Bye.